Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be talking about personal care for your child using the Montessori method. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like button. I also make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53. Montessori Personal Care Area, Fostering Independence. A Montessori personal care area is designed to encourage independence and self-care habits in young children. The focus is on providing accessible, child-sized items that allow them to manage their personal hygiene routines independently. Key components: hygiene essentials, provide a small comb or brush, a child-sized toothbrush, and soap, either a bar or liquid soap in a pump dispenser. Drying and cleanliness, include a soft, absorbent towel that is appropriately sized for a child. Self-awareness, a mirror is essential for children to observe themselves while grooming. Accessibility and arrangement: towel placement, ensure the towel is hung on a low hook or bar, easily reachable by the child. Mirror height, the mirror should be mounted at the child's height, so they can see themselves clearly without assistance. If space is limited, a stable step stool can be used to reach a higher mirror. Overall layout, organize the area so that all items are easily accessible, and the child can navigate the space independently. Benefits: independence, children learn to manage their own personal care routines. Self-confidence, mastering these skills builds self-esteem and confidence. Responsibility, children develop a sense of responsibility for their own hygiene and appearance. By carefully considering the items and their arrangement, a Montessori personal care area can be a valuable tool for fostering independence and self-care skills in young children. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos on how to set up your own Montessori homeschooling environment and on instructions on how to teach Montessori materials.